In a cozy living room, a curious puppy spots a doorbell and erupts into an overdramatic barking symphony. A sly kitten meets a hovering vacuum and negotiates peace with tail twirls and a dramatic retreat. A sleepy bulldog faces a bowl of water and delivers a heroic splash that becomes an accidental spa day. Two kittens chase a squeaky toy, turning the couch into a tiny roller coaster of paws and purrs. As chaos fades, all four tumble into a nap, proving that funny bonds make every day totally pawsome.